Well, good Friday afternoon, folks. Look from our Devil's Lake home of economy Skycam, seeing some clouds wafting into that region there. Some high clouds, pretty harmless at this point from what I'm seeing here, both with my eyes and on satellite and radar imagery. Things are looking quiet for pretty much everybody there at this hour, but there are those wafting clouds you can see moving into the Devil's Lake Basin. Again, nothing too concerning for us at this point. There were some showers occurring earlier there, just toward the north and east of Bismarck, but those really have fizzled out, and now we're watching just a few light showers out toward Williston. Those are actually marching toward us slowly but surely, but we could see some rain, maybe some rumbles of thunder overnight into tomorrow morning from that stuff that's moving out of the Williston area. So by and large, things quiet for us this evening, but for the weekend, of course, 2 first alert weather days. Saturday, late in the day on Saturday, and Sunday in the PM hours, got a couple chances for some severe storms here for the weekend. So of course, here's a timeline of what we're expecting. Saturday, the afternoon is going to be hot and humid. Severe storms mainly late and then overnight into our Sunday, and mainly in North Dakota for Saturday, but then on Sunday, that risk shifts into Minnesota. Fargo, Grand Forks still included in that risk for Sunday, but by and large both days we're talking isolated tornadoes, damaging wind gusts, large hail, and isolated localized flooding from this. So this is for Saturday. This is our severe weather threat. The yellow you see here is the slight risk of severe weather. That's a level 2 out of 5 on that severe weather risk scale. Includes, well, pretty much all of North Dakota into northwestern Minnesota. For Sunday, that same slight risk there is for now our Minnesota neighborhoods, but Grand Forks, Fargo, Ellendale, Sisseton still all included in that slight risk for Sunday, but so is Lakes Country. So of course, if you're planning to spend some time outdoors this weekend, make sure that you have a way to get warnings if you're away from your normal warning source. But here's how things look for this afternoon. Seeing mainly sunny skies across Minnesota, a few high clouds across North Dakota. Still can't rule out an isolated shower, maybe a rumble of thunder, but it's not looking too promising at this point for any type of precipitation from these clouds, seeing how they are very high clouds here this afternoon. But say as the highs today, expecting 70s and 80s, but then by 10 o'clock still seeing 70s for most of us. Still a few clouds hanging on later tonight too. By midnight, things are nice and quiet. Wind is calm tonight as well. Now here's a Saturday morning, and remember I was telling you about that chance of some overnight showers and rumbles of thunder. So exiting that western North Dakota, this is by say 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, just seeing the chance of some showers or storms moving across the region. But things for the afternoon on Saturday look quiet. 80s to 90s for highs on Saturday afternoon, and it's, you know, how things pretty quiet. But south wind starts to feed and bring some more humidity in. Temperatures stay very mild here, so overnight, late Saturday into our Sunday morning, here's that chance of severe weather. So this is 6 a.m. on Sunday, but I think around 3 or 4 a.m. out toward the west we could see this beginning, but there it is moving across the region. Again, hail, wind, damaging wind, large hail, isolated tornadoes all possible here. Sunday morning, that looks to continue, but it does look to exit off toward the east. But Sunday, cold front from the same system on Saturday finally comes through, and that brings more severe weather risks for us in the Red River Valley and points toward the south and east. Quite a bit cooler than JC, talking upper 70s for highs Monday and Tuesday. Don't get used to it though, because back in the 80s and then eventually 90s for Thursday.
Some hot weekends coming up.
Oh yeah, it is. Good for the legs, but you just got to be weather aware.
And sunscreen.
And sunscreen.
Thank you, Nathan.
Yeah.
Straight at noon, controlling carp, the unusual way wildlife officials are keeping tabs on invasive fish.